Hi everyone and welcome back to another review. Today I'm looking at the third and final Freaks of Nature hot pudding. This time it's the chocolate fudge. Now again, these are all the same. They're all dairy free, gluten free, soya free, egg free. They're 100% plant based. They're just really nice. All you do is you chuck them in the microwave, 35 seconds, bing, let them stand for 30 seconds, away you go, away you go. Let me just get this. Okay, now, there we go. This is the chocolate fudge. This is the third and final one out of the 3 flavours that they do. That looks incredibly sickly. But, again, a little glass. I'm so impressed with these glass dishes, as you've guessed by now. That looks really sickly. This is going to be fun. Okay, here we go. Smells really rich and chocolatey. Smells nice. Okay, let me try a little bit of the sauce first. Just there. Yeah, dark, chocolatey. It's very rich. Very sickly. I'm going to go straight in with this one. Get some sponge and sauce. Try and dig out some of the sponge on its own. There you go. So, again, the sponge is light and moist. It is very nice, but it is very sickly. And like I said, time and time again, you're not going to need more than that. Well, I could probably think of a few people that might want more than that, but I'm halfway through now, and it's just lovely, but very heavy. Very heavy. There you go. Almost done. Almost done, and I'm actually struggling. What's going on? It's just because it's very heavy. Okay, done. Bang, gone. Okay, so let's wrap this one up. Yes, sponge, light, moist, very nice, very soft. Sauce, nice, dark, sweet, chocolatey. Oh, but it is very heavy and it is very sickly. It is what it is, chocolate fudge. Yeah, that was very nice. That was very nice. Would I buy it again? Yes, I would. Would I recommend you go and try it? Yes. If you like that sort of thing, it's amazing. And like I've said time and time again, guys, those little dishes are amazing. So yeah, that's it from me. That's it from the Freaks of Nature hot pudding range. And more things coming up your way very soon, including local takeaways and restaurants as well. Other snacks and stuff coming as well. So stay tuned, keep your eyes open, and until next time, I'll see you all again soon.